What's it gonna be?
New present for Zane. Wow! Look at that! Zane's own little sweeper!
Put it on the floor.
Put it on the rug over there, and Papa will show you how it works.
I already tested it before you came, and it picked up things.
Here, put it on the rug here. See, watch now.
Yeah.
Push it
Your
back.
sweeper! Yay! Zane's own sweeper!
You like? Push it back and forth. And sweep like you do your sweeper downstairs. It looks just like your one downstairs.
Upstairs.
It's upstairs, yeah.
That's Zane's sweeper that works like a big sweeper.
Here, clean Grandma's rug up. Push it.
Yeah, that rug is dirty.
Push it, and then push it. Hello, boy. You got it.